everyone. In this video, I'm going to be talking about some of the ChatGPT plugins functionality, and since I found few useful cases, I decided to record this video in order to share them with you guys. So just in case you don't have plugins enabled, what you want to do is to head over to the bottom left of the screen, click on your name, and then go to settings, and then here you might see beta features which allowing you to turn on browsing and plugins, right? So make sure that these two toggles are turned on and you're good to go. And obviously you might be ChatGPT Plus subscriber in order to access this functionality. So then we are going to navigate to GPT-4 and choose plugins. I already have two plugins enabled, but if you don't, you can click on this drop down and then navigate to the plugin store in order to install some of these. The few we are going to be talking about today is Zapier, and another one is Video Insights, right? That allow you to interact with online videos with easy. So let me show you the first example I'm talking about. When you are running a conversation, make sure that you can enable 3 plugins at a time, right? And make sure that 2 of these plugins, Video Insights and Zapier, make sure that marks are checked in front of 2 of these plugins. A thing that we are going to do today is we are going to analyze this quite interesting, quite recent actually, and quite interesting TED Talk about why AI is incredibly smart and shockingly stupid. What we're going to do is we are going to say, ChatGPT, go to this video and get 5 key takeaways in order to write compelling LinkedIn post and post it within Zapier, and just paste in the link for the video we are talking about, right? And then we will see that first Video Insights plugin usually takes off. So Video Insights is loading. You see, first of all, it's sending a request to this plugin with YouTube video ID, and then getting the description, right, and the title of the video and the transcription, right? After that, you will see that these are 5 key takeaways that this plugin generated from this video. This video is 16 minutes long. This plugin is able to analyze everything that is up to 60 minutes of duration, so quite concise and quite interesting. And then it's saying, okay, now let's create a LinkedIn post based on these takeaways, okay, and starting to call in Zapier, right, because Zapier is going to help us to automatically create this LinkedIn post. It's writing the request to Zapier. You can see it spelled out, right? In order to enable those features within Zapier, you need to navigate to link I will provide in the description. It's a subdomain of Zapier, and it's allowing you to enable actions for, in this particular case, for OpenAI. And here you can see that I'm enabled LinkedIn share new update in order to share on my behalf on LinkedIn, and also creating a draft in Gmail. I will show you in a minute how to utilize that as well. But let's get back to our chat. Okay, so here you can see that, great, I've drafted a LinkedIn post based on the key takeaways, blah, blah, blah. Please click here to review and confirm the LinkedIn post. Exactly what we're going to do, and we will be navigated to a page that actually containing this LinkedIn post, and then nice list explaining these key takeaways. Also link the video and the image from the video thumbnail as well, which is this, right? So amazing thing. And then all you need to do, if you like it, right, you can go and just click run and it's going to be posted, or otherwise you can edit it and make some edits on the go. You can first of all provide value to the community, because not many people watching whole videos, and just knowing key takeaways is sometimes it's very important and very cool. And also get value for yourself, right? Because with this Video Insights plugin, you can actually do a lot of things, get a lot of value from big videos. Again, it should be up to 60 minutes of time, but still, all in all, it's good enough. The other thing that we are going to do is going to relate particularly to Zapier, not Video Insights. So we are going to get back to our new chat menu and turn off the Video Insights plugin. We'll leave just only Zapier at a time. And then we will do something like this. I want you to act as an experienced outbound marketing manager. Here is the profile I have. Please write an attractive initial outreach letter in order to engage with this profile and offer him a job. And then we are going to simply paste. So we just need to find some profile, right? Any profile. And again, you can, so I just have a profile. This guy is in my first network degree connections, right? So let's download it as a PDF. Then all we need to do is just simply copy and paste information from the whole profile, right? And then paste it into ChatGPT. So luckily we have only 2 pages here. So just Command A or Control A and Control C, Control V, and going back to chat. Oh yeah, and also before pasting the profile, specify one more thing. Save it as a draft in Gmail and then paste in the profile. Let's see what it does. Again, you can experiment with the prompt. I've asked it to be, experienced outreach manager, but I've decided that it will be more appropriate. You see, it's creating the email, exciting job opportunity for senior, blah blah blah. It's using full name, okay, but you can easily modify it to Dear Roman. How it was easier for you to create an email, that's why it's probably choosing this way, right? So it's creating an email where saying like, I believe that your background aligns perfectly, blah blah blah, and then saying, okay, I've created a draft, and you can click here in order to review and confirm it. And then there we go. You have an email in place that was, pulled from the LinkedIn PDF profile. And then you just have a couple of placeholders you need to replace. We believe your experience, blah, blah, blah. And you can then run it, okay? And you will have it as a draft saved in your Gmail. So it's not going to be sent, right? Run, it's only meaning that you can find this email in drafts of your inbox. Let me show you now. If you will go over to drafts, you will see exciting job opportunity for senior UI UX designer. And you can actually, further edit it. And you can again create as many, like a queue, a line of these letters for different candidates, and then just navigate to your inbox and one by one edit them all and send them all one by one. Okay, cool. I hope it was useful. And yeah, let me know in the comments how you are utilizing the ChatGPT plugins functionality and if you also find it useful. Thanks for your time and enjoy the rest of your week. Bye bye.